I'm going to show you how to download and install Cisco Packet Tracer on your cisco. Then Google, go to Google, in search box type here download Cisco Packet Tracer. Cisco Network Academy, click time to use Cisco Packet Tracer. Download Cisco Packet Tracer, first login. Must login. Please login to download resource. Welcome, please login. If you don't have login username, you must sign up. I have, so I'm login. Here Cisco table for Mac, this for Windows. Download Cisco Packet Tracer successful download. I install Cisco Packet Tracer. Accept the agreement. Next. C drive location. Next. Shortcut on desktop. Next. Install. Finish. Now I go desktop. Then see here Cisco Packet Tracer and click on it. Must use the playlist to study. Yes. Sign in using one of the following method. Also Cisco Network Academy. Name and password. We have email and password. Now I check interface. In this way, you can download and install Cisco Packet Tracer on your desktop and laptop. That's it. Hope this video helpful. Please subscribe my channel.